guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to do what I got for my birthday. But like a smaller version of that, because I got a lot of things for my birthday and a lot of things are already in use and have been kept in their place, and I can't really bring them here and show you guys those things, but I will in coming videos. Okay, I'm all over the place, so let me start from the start. So you know how all of last year I did not really do any YouTube video. So last year and all of 2016 and 17 I basically downsized my entire makeup collection. 2018 I started buying a little bit of makeup because I had given away 99.99% of my makeup, just the absolute basic makeup things that I use, like those are my ride or die makeup products is what I kept for myself, and everything else I just gave it away. And so for this birthday, because I'm already like making YouTube videos again, so I did want a few makeup bits and bobs. So you know, my parents were very sweet, as was Venky, who was really sweet. They took me out shopping, like my parents sent me stuff and Venky took me out shopping, and I'm just going to show you the makeup stuff that I have over here. And they did give me a lot, basically all the what I got for my birthday things either I bought for myself, very sad I know, or Venky gave me, which is like really sweet, or it came from my parents and my brother, so that's really sweet. So I basically just got stuff from family. And yeah, so there's a lot of things, so I don't even know if I should get into who sent me what, because there's like so many things that they sent me, but the makeup and skincare is just like the smaller bit. I did get a lot of things like that from Venky, who was really sweet. For my birthday, Venky took me to Sephora and he said, you know what, just go mad, buy what you want to and stuff like that. That was really sweet. But I don't know why it happens to me all the time when I've been told that I can go crazy and do whatever I want to. Those are the times that I cannot go crazy and I cannot buy everything. Nothing excites me. So from Sephora they gave me this box. I don't know if it was my birthday or what, and they gave it to me for that. But I'm just going to start off with what I picked up from Sephora. So the first thing I got is the Clarins Blue Orchid Face Treatment Oil. It says it has 100% pure plant extracts and it is for dehydrated skin. So for the first time I went and I got something that is for dehydrated skin and not for dry skin. This had great reviews, which is why I picked this up. So I've been using this for almost like 2 weeks now, and yeah, I like this oil. It's nice. It's thicker than the Kiehl's one. It is a decent oil, but I need to wear it for a little while longer to let you guys know. So this came in 3 variants, one for I think normal skin or oily to normal skin or something like that, one in dry skin and one for dehydrated skin, and I picked up the one for dehydrated skin. I really like the way this smells, which is very herbal, but I really like it anyway. The next thing that I picked up is something that I've wanted for a very long time, but I don't know why I never picked it up, because it just made no sense to me ever. But I went and I got my hands on the Hoola bronzer by Benefit this time. And you know what, I keep kicking myself at why I didn't get this sooner, because ever since I got this I haven't been able to put this down. I love this bronzer. I'm not wearing it today, and I could actually, you know what, it is just amazing. And even the brush that it comes with is actually quite useful. It's perfect for my skin tone. It is absolutely perfect for my skin tone. It gives me that very natural shade, so it gives me really natural contouring on my skin. I really like this. So the next thing I've got, which is something that I really wanted, is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. And I have finally gotten into, you know, foundations and primers and bases and all of those things. So, and I really, you know, anything that's dewy or glowy or radiant has IKEA written all over it, because that's what I want. I have dry, dehydrated skin. All I'm looking for is a glow and some radiance. So I got this primer, and So far so good. I really like this primer. It is really intense once you swatch it on your hand and stuff, but don't be fooled. Once you just put it all over your face, a pea-sized amount all over your face, and you put any foundation on top of it, even a very full coverage, high coverage foundation, it will still give you that lit from within sort of a glow. And this gets me to the next bit over here, which is the foundation. I got the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, and now see, I don't know if you remember, but if you followed me on Instagram, you know that I went and tried out the Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude Waterweight foundation. And while I really liked the finish of that, and I felt that it lasted really long, like it lasted me all day, but it gave me terrible flashback. I did have pictures of that on my Instagram, and so I didn't want to get that just because of flashback. It made no sense to me, you know, getting a foundation for almost 4,000 rupees, which gives you flashback. And when I came home, and on my birthday, when I wanted to do my makeup with my new makeup, I realized that they gave me the Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude Waterweight foundation. So I took it back to Sephora. I told them that I had not used it, which I hadn't. And once I saw the bottle, because I did pick up a few things and I was looking around, all I cared about was the expiry date and stuff like that after the MAC fiasco. So I was just looking at expiry dates, and I actually didn't look at the main bottle name because I just assumed that they would have given me the right product. I went back, I told them, they exchanged it for me, no questions asked. So I was really happy about that. So I had basically just gotten these 4 things initially at Sephora, but when I went back, okay, so and I was looking at those Benefit tints, you know, because my mom always used to use the Benefit tint. I think that's the original one, so she used to use it. And I wanted to get a nice tint because I really like those for summers. I saw that Benefit had this new tint called the GoGo tint, not the Cha-Cha tint, which is like orange, and I didn't want that. I really love the color of this GoGo tint. It actually looks like, this is the color of the GoGo tint. This is what it looks like. But I wanted the travel size. I didn't want the full size bottle because that is for about 3,000 rupees, and it makes no sense to buy a tint for 3,000 rupees, honestly. I was looking for a travel size bottle. I did not find a travel size bottle, and travel size bottles are for 1,000 rupees too. I didn't find it, so I just let it go. Then when I went to exchange my foundation, I found the foundation. I got this, and they told me that I needed to pick up, because this was 3,300 and that one was, the other foundation was for 3,600. So they asked me that I needed to buy something for 300 rupees, and I went around looking for things. I thought I'd just pick up a sheet mask or a sleeping mask or something like that, because I really like the Sephora sleeping masks too. But then I found the GoGo tint. There was this one GoGo tint in the travel lot, and I couldn't believe my luck. I just picked this up, and so I paid about 700 rupees for this because 300 was already like compensated. So I got this. Oh, and I'm really happy with that. So yeah, I got all these things for my birthday from Sephora. And the really kind guys at Sephora threw in a sleeping mask, and I picked up the Rose sleeping mask, which I really like. I've used this in the past. I've used this a couple of times before, and I really like the Rose sleeping mask. And from MAC, and they did throw in some samples of the Smashbox primers, which I really like. I've been using this already. I've used this like 3 or 4 times, and I still have product in it, so that's pretty good. This is the first time I'm actually using primers properly, which I've never done in the past. So from MAC, I didn't get a lot of things because I did a MAC haul previously. Here I just wanted to buy things from Nykaa because they had this whole offer. So, you know, I told my mom that, you know, because this whole offer thing is going on, and she told me that she wanted to buy me some makeup. So I told her what to buy me, and she just got me those things. So she just sent these things across from Nykaa. The first thing she sent me is the MAC Studio Waterweight SPF 30 foundation. And this is what it looks like. This is the foundation I'm wearing right now, and I can't tell you how much I love this foundation. I feel terrible about not getting the Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude, so I think I'm going to wear this for a while. Maybe, you know, see how much of this I use, and once I finish a little bit of it, I'm going to go and get that Estee Lauder one as well, because I loved the finish of that. It's just the flashback that bothered me, but it's definitely, you know, a foundation with SPF is not something you're going to wear at night. A foundation with SPF is something that you're going to wear in the day. Plus, that didn't have much coverage anyway. But I love the finish of this. I love the finish of that. That had definitely a lot more coverage than this foundation. This foundation has barely any coverage. It lets you off, you know, sunspots, freckles, or whatever you have on your skin show through. But I think that's what makes it look very natural, and I don't even feel like right now it's hot. It's the end of May. It's really hot. I'm sitting in my room without any fan, without any AC, and this foundation doesn't even feel like it's heavy. It feels great on my skin, and I absolutely love this foundation. And I got the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. I wanted a concealer for highlighting, and I wanted to try the Pro Longwear Concealer because I did wear it like once in 2014. I did have a Pro Longwear Concealer, but because I wasn't wearing a lot of makeup back then, I sort of let it expire and back to MAC did. So I got this one, and I got this in the shade NC30 because I wanted a highlighting concealer that could do something with my Hoola foundation, which I am hell-bent on using up, even though it came in a very random shade for me. So I got these two things, and Nykaa had this offer of giving away one of these Rosy Cheeks blushes, the extra dimension blushes in the shade Rosy Cheeks, which I really like. And that is all I got from MAC, and that is all I got from Sephora, and everything else were like clothing or homeware hauls and things like that, so I can't really show that over here, but I'm definitely going to put up pictures on Instagram and let you guys know. And when you see those pictures, please comment and let me know that you know what I'm talking about there, okay? I can't believe I completely forgot to add 3 really big things that I got for my birthday. So the first thing is this perfume. This is the Clinique Happy, which if you all have read my blogs in the past, if you know me from my blogging days, you know that this used to be one of my favorite foundations. This used to be one of my favorite perfumes. I absolutely love this perfume. This was in fact incidentally my birthday perfume. My mom got me this perfume for one of my birthdays in probably 2011-12, and she did get me this perfume, a smaller version of this perfume for my birthday once, really long back when I was still in my teenage or things like that. So this perfume reminds me of birthdays. Clinique Happy just reminds me of birthdays, and I remember telling Venki this, and he picked me up a new bottle of Clinique Happy because I didn't have it in my collection. The second thing is another birthday perfume for me because this is like a, you know, birthday tradition. This is the D&G Light Blue perfume, and this was sent to me by my parents because it's the funniest part is because they always got me this perfume for my birthday. I mean, my brother or my parents always got me this perfume for my birthday, so they got me this perfume for my birthday again. But you know, I already have this in stock, like I already have a new bottle, so I think I'm good to go for a year. And the third thing I got was a really cute gift, and this is another one that Venki got me, and this is a perfume from Zara. Now if you all know, I love Zara perfumes, so while I was going you know, mad shopping at Sephora, Venki went to Zara, smelt a few perfumes, and he got me this on his own, and how sweet is that? So this perfume is called Delicious Blossoms, and this is, you know, this comes in one of those boxes in Zara, so I never even paid attention to these perfumes because I always saw the ones that were on the lower cabinets. But this came in that bigger box. I'm going to put a picture of that on Instagram as well, or here, let's see. And this is a nice sweet perfume. It's sweet and floral, and I love this perfume. It's so nice. Like at one point of time, I would not have liked a perfume like this, but today I love how feminine and sweet this smells. And yeah, he did surprise me with a lot of presents this time, and I was really spoiled rotten by my family, so I'm really grateful for that. And yeah, that was it, you guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye bye.